What's up, everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Elrond, some of its recent price action, and also some of its fundamentals, and taking a look at where we think it might go in the future, with a little price prediction as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you for everyone for their continued support, the likes, the subs, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. Our community has been growing amazingly recently. It's all down to you. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. We really appreciate all your support, and hitting the like button helps the channel out so much. So please just go ahead and tap the like button now. And also subscribe and turn on all post notifications if you want to be notified of all of our videos. We're going to be posting a lot more, probably 3 or 4 videos a day most likely, with lots more videos like this of technical analysis and more up-to-date stuff. So if you're interested in that, please hit the sub as well. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Elrond recently has not been performing that well in comparison to most of the market. When there was the huge correction in the market in the past few weeks, Elrond got absolutely destroyed with this massive wick down all the way from around $210 to $120, almost $125, which is obviously a massive downturn. And there were many cryptocurrencies that actually performed fairly well, especially altcoins, in the recent 25 to 30% correction in the market, but Egld got hit very heavily from its all-time high. When you consider that it came down from around $250-ish at its all-time high all the way to 125, that's around a 50% correction, which is obviously not what you're looking for in a bull market, because that tends to spell that there's a big problem going on. But since then, Elrond has actually recovered fairly well. It got bought up massively in that dip, particularly. As you can see, there's a massive red wick here, all the way back up to around $160. The price continued in that descending wedge and then broke out to the upside once the whole market double bottomed out. And this is most likely the double bottom, as you can see here. The double bottom formed like this, and then we've moved to the upside again with much more stable price action in the range from here to here. And we're expecting a break for Elrond to the upside again soon. As you can see, it's already starting to break out to the upside here. And we've actually outlined this channel that we believe that it will most likely respect, unless the price becomes really bullish and it runs up to challenge its all-time high again in sort of a pattern like this. But what we most likely see happening is Elrond's going to move up into this area of support and resistance here, and then it will move down, consolidate, but continue moving up in this channel. And then once it reaches the all-time high here, it'll retest, hit this sort of level here of all this structure, move to the upside again. And this is also in conjunction with the release of the MyR exchange, which is obviously massively bullish news for Elrond. It's going to be an amazing addition to their whole network, basically allowing people to exchange using their network with ridiculously low gas fees. They're going to be working, this is basically the first layer of their tokenization of everything as well, including real estate, stocks and bonds, and all these kinds of things. This whole network is going to be based on the MyR exchange, which is one of the first elements that's going to come into it. There's going to be yield farming, loads of different liquidity pool stuff. They're basically bringing DeFi to the Elrond network, and we think this is obviously massive bullish news for the network as well. And the price has been moving up steadily as people have been buying in anticipation of getting these tokens. We think the run up here was most likely to do with this, as the announcement was just announced about the MyR exchange coming out, and it'll also be available via the MyR app as well. So they're basically trying to onboard as many people as they can and give them as much utility as possible, which is obviously very bullish news and extremely bullish for the protocol, in our opinion. We really do think that Elrond will easily break this all-time high and move to the upside in short order. If we followed this channel, for example, it would only be around a week from now where Elrond would challenge its all-time high again, maybe retest and retrace this area, and then move to the upside. And with all the bullish news coming out about the MyR exchange, and about users getting more multipliers and airdrops for their MEX token, which will be used for the MyR exchange as well. Basically, more and more people are going to be buying up Egld and using it on their exchange, and also staking it and locking it in to get increased multipliers. And all of these things play into a more stable and more sustainable ecosystem for Egld. And we obviously think that all of this is extremely bullish. We don't really see it. It's very unlikely to us that Elrond is probably going to move to the downside from here. There may be some potentially movement back to this range, but we can't imagine that it will be moving down here again, considering that the amount of bullish sentiment that is in the market now. And also, this is a very significant correction from the top of the market for Elrond, around 50%. And basically any lower than that, and we would probably be nullifying the entire bull market, which doesn't seem likely to happen. So with the price currently of around $193, it seems as though Elrond is actually breaking out of its local high, as we can see here, and moving to the upside again. It's also respecting this channel that we've drawn in very nicely. We could imagine that it might struggle with a little bit of resistance at this area here, but if it flips it into support, we could easily see Elrond moving up into this area that we outlined here, where the price will move. It will bounce off this as support, move up to this, bounce off as resistance, maybe retrace, bounce off it again, move up, use it as support, and just continue up in this channel like this, moving up to these areas of structure. And then once we reach the all-time high again, it seems likely to us that it's going to head to the upside very soon. And with all the bullish news coming out about Elrond, it's very unlikely to us that it's going to go down, especially considering the amount of staking that's going on, the amount of vesting as well. So that's our current update for Egld. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or you can sign up to our YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, so please take advantage of that there, including coin calls and a private chat as well for talking about more in-depth things such as yield farming and leverage and all these good things. So please go and get involved. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull when you deposit $100 using the link in our description below. You can literally deposit the $100, get the 2 free stocks, and then take the money back out straight away. But you might as well take advantage if you're in the US or anywhere other parts of the world. Just deposit $100 and you basically get free stocks. Also, make sure to hit the like button as it helps the channel out so much. You know, with the algorithm, people are always asking you to smash the like button. But we would love you to smash the like button because it really helps the channel and it helps the videos rank better in the search engine, which means that they get shown to more people, and we really want to build our community. So currently only around 10% of our viewers are subbed as well, and we'd love to see our community grow more. So please hit the big red subscribe button as well. Make sure to turn on notifications as well. If you support the channel and you really like the content, please just go ahead and hit the sub button. You can sign up to our free Telegram in the description. We're really hoping to build a community there that's going to be valuable for everyone in the future. It's completely free, so please go and sign up to that. You'll basically get updates with all of our stuff for free. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.